Hey everybody, welcome to the live streams of Global Trade Live. Today is 21st of April and we are now live in New York session over here, so let's get started. So over here we are now in GBP JPY, so let's analyze this. So basically what's happening over here is monthly candle. Let me just lower down our volume a little bit. Hey Paul, good afternoon. So if I look at the monthly candle, then this monthly candle is extremely bullish right now. And if I look on the left, then first of all we are having a clean range over here. The second thing is there is a strong level of resistance over here, which the market is rejecting right now. So what I'm thinking over here is, so now two things can happen. Number one is that the market will having some volume over here and it will be going all the way up, right? So where it will be heading towards to, so first target will be this area if it goes up, okay? And if it starts to reject over here, then what will be the target for rejection and for bearish momentum? So I think it can come down and close under this area over here, but doing this is a really difficult thing, because the thing is the market is in a strong bullish momentum and I don't think that it's gonna move down. I really think that it's gonna break this area and go all the way up. So how that move will be taking place? So I think that move will be taking place once the current monthly candle will be breaking its own high. That will be the point where we can say that yes, the market will continue its bullish move. So this was all about the monthly over here. Let's move to the weekly. So the weekly candle is also printing like a strong bullish candle over here, but we need to look on the left. Okay, so we have an area of resistance over here which become the support now, and if the market continues to move up, then this will be the area where the market will be heading towards. But that depends on how this weekly candle closes. So if this candle closes above 167.600 or sorry 167.700 or 750 area, so if this candle closes above that area, that price, then the next candle might just wick down and break the high, continue moving up. So but for that this candle needs to close above this area, because if it closes back inside, back below this area, then there will be problem for the next candle to continue moving up. So at that point it might just go down. So on and on we have to wait for the weekly candle to close so that we can have a better view on the next move. So after the weekly, I'm gonna look at the daily over here. So daily candle has made a resistance. So daily has made a resistance over here. Now the current daily candle has wicked up. Rejection is being done on the resistance area and it's coming down. So the thing is, market structure is totally bullish, right? But candle has to retrace back also, and it's on a strong level of resistance. So we can say that yes, the market can possibly show some nice bearish move over here. So if we assume that the market will be coming down, then what will be the point where it will be coming towards? So it will be coming down towards this support area. And that was all about the daily, and let's move to the 4-hour now, because now as we are switching to the lower time frames, we are getting more and more information about the market. So if we talk about the 4-hour, then market created a support over here. It went up from that area, now created that high, right? So this high become the resistance area now. Okay, and after creating this high, it went down and created another support. So if we include the previous support over here, that means the market is just ranging, nothing else is happening right now. So the market is just ranging between these two ranges. So to be very sure that the market's gonna move down, we need a 4-hour candle to close at this support or below this support area. Once that happens, so the next 4-hour candle will be filling the wicks to the left, and finally it might break the low and continue moving down. But where will be the target? So I think this will be the target over here, where the market can possibly move down if it starts to move down from here. Also, if we talk about the recent level of resistance, then this is the recent level of resistance over here, and now the market is moving down, and it will be moving down in this area of support. So after the 4-hour, I'm gonna move to the 1-hour. So 1-hour candle has just started like 3 minutes ago, and right now the market is creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs. That means the market structure is totally bearish. The market structure is bearish, right? So if we look on the left, then can we have our clean range? So if we calculate this area, like if this candle wicks up first and then break its own low again, I think that point will be the point where we can sell. So can we really sell? Or so yes, we have 17 pips of range, and market will be coming down like 22 pips. So I think we can easily take like over 10 pips out of this range. But for that, the current 1-hour candle has to flip up, create a higher wick first, and then move down again. So if we just draw our recent level of support and resistance, then this is the area where the market is creating a resistance. So market went down, created a resistance over here, now coming down again. And there was a support down here as well, which is matching from the left as well. So now two things can happen. Number one is that this candle can retrace back and close like a bullish candle, and the next candle will breaking the low of this candle and continue to move down. So if that will be the case, then that will be a really probable, high probability trade. But if that will not happen, and if this candle will be just moving all the way down, then it is what it is. Because sometimes it's better to miss the move rather than taking a loss. So that's why. So I'm not sure whether this candle will be continuing to move down, because the thing is, if we look on the left, then we have these rejections. So these rejection means a market went down in these prices and rejected that areas. So this thing can happen here as well. So that's why I'm being very, very careful about the trade. So that was all about the 1 hour. Nothing much information is available in the 1 hour. So I'm gonna move to the 30 minutes. So we can clearly see that in the 30 minutes we have a strong level of support at 167.229, right? So this was a strong level of support, and finally this candle broke below this support and closed like this. Why I didn't took sell over here, the reason is when the next candle broke the low and I looked on the left, then I saw these problems over here in this area. So that's why I didn't took sells, and that's what happened over here. The market just went down and this candle rejected. So that's the same thing I'm expecting over here as well, that the market will be rejecting this area. But if not, then it's okay. I'm okay with missing this trade, because this is something I don't like to trade. You should take those trades. Those are really high probability setups. You should not take the trade just to take it, right? So now if we look on the left, then what do we see? So I think below this wick we see this clean range, and this range is like 15 pips. So I'm not taking sells in this area. I'm not really comfortable. So I need to switch to the 15-minute time frame now, because I have to be very, very sure, while taking a trade. So yes, this 15 if this 15-minute candle closes like this and next candle breaks the low of this candle, then I think that point will be the point where it will be moving down like. But there is no range. The range is just 14 pips. So should I take this trade because just there's just 14 pips of range? I don't think so that I should be taking this trade. Even though this will be going all the way down in this area, but still we should be having a good range to take a trade. So I'm gonna switch back to the 30 minutes and I'm gonna find another range where I can actually take the trade. GU is not stopping. Okay, so can we take sales below this area? The range is 22 pips, but in the 1 hour. If you talk about 15 minutes, nah, there is no range. I think maybe we can sell below this area, 16 pips, and this wick is like 10 pips. Okay, I'll see what we can actually do and where we can actually take the trade. So the thing is, if the market reverses back from here and creates a resistance over here, and we have this clean range going up, then I'm gonna take a sell trade when it will be creating a resistance, because at that time I'll be saying that okay, so now the market has created a low, now it will be going definitely down from by creating a resistance over here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Otherwise I'm gonna just wait and watch, nothing else. So if I talk about, let me just remove everything, not everything, so let me just go to the monthly. So yes, GU is bearish in the monthly. Now 1 day 9 hours left for the current weekly candle to close, and it's still struggling right now. So I know that the market will be heading down in this area definitely. Let's see what candles are telling us. So basically market created a low, then it created a resistance, it it continued to fill the low over here. Now the previous week candle went up, grabbed liquidity and rejected that area. Now the current week candle created a higher wick. Now it might just go down from here. If not, then the next candle might go. So after the weekly, I'm gonna talk about the daily over here. So if I talk about daily right now, then market is, I think, consolidating at this point. So the current daily candle can go all the way down and tap this support area and break the low and continue to move down, but for that it really needs to have some heavy volume. And yeah, I think it will be definitely tapping down in the support area. So this was all about daily. Now I'm going to talk about the 4 hour. 4 hour we don't need, we need this one, or no, we don't need this one. We just need this one over here, or maybe this one. Yeah, so this is a strong support over here right now. I think we should be waiting for 48 minutes more to see whether the market will be moving down from here. I mean, whether the 4 hour candle will be closing above this price or closing below this price, because that will decide where the market will be going. Because we don't know whether this will be breaking this support and continue to move down, or whether this will be just respecting this support and the next candle will be going up from here. We don't know about that, because market right now is at a strong level of support. So after the 4 hour, I'm gonna look at the 1 hour. So if I look at the 1 hour, then there was a support down over here. Yeah, so there was a support down over here. This candle just went all the way down, broke below this support. Now there is current 1 hour candle which is printing right now, but the problem is now the previous candle closed extremely low, extremely down at distance from the level of taking the trade. So it just closed down over here, right? So I need a candle to close bullish and then the next candle to break the low of that candle so that I can take a sell trade, or I need a retracement or something like that which will give me more probability. So let's move to the 30 minutes. So there was a support over here. Yeah, same thing is happening. Look over here, look on the left. So market went up over here in this area and then went down. So right now the market is going all the way down. Now I am expecting some retracement and resistance formation over here so that I can take a sell trade and the market will be moving all the way down from here. So that's something I'm expecting right now. So that's it. That was all about GU over here. And but yes, if I look for sells, if the market doesn't retraces back, then where will be the point? So I think that point will be below this area. So I'm gonna wait for the market to go below this area. Hello PS Gore, how are you? So yeah, this was all about GU, and let's talk about UJ as well. Oh, USD JPY is creating some sort of a setup over here above this wick. The range is not there. This could be a nice setup, but the range is not there. So if this candle reverses back, break its own high of the previous candle high, that means this candle has created a low and it will be moving all the way up, but there's no range, so this could be a really nice setup. Let's see the 4 hour. Oh, so market created a high, went down. Now this 4 hour candle is moving up, but only 44 minutes left. So it went down, went up again. So this can be a support, or this can be a resistance, and this can be a low. Okay, let's move to the one daily. Oh, daily candle looks like it's gonna move down. Yeah, I think UJ will be moving down from here. That also means if this is really a support, then in the next 43 minutes it should be breaking the high of the previous 4 hour candle. Yeah, so this is the 4 hour resistance, created a low, went up, created a resistance. Now it should be moving down again. Let's see how this 4 hour candle moves, and till that time let's just mark our areas to take the trades in the 30 minutes. Okay, so let's mark our areas. So recent support will be down over here, recent resistance will be this one over here. This candle closed above that area. Now this candle wigged down first, and we are assuming that UJ will be moving down, so this could be a really bad trade if I take a buy, because I really think that UJ will be moving down today. Yeah, so I cannot take a buy. Let's move to the 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is also, it really looks like that it's gonna move up. Support. Yeah, this could be the area it will be moving towards too. So there's really no range in this area. I think let's just wait and watch. Let's draw some more information. Let's move to the 30 minutes and let's draw trend lines. So what the market was doing basically, so market was moving down, then it went sideways, then it went up, right, and then it went down. Nothing is there in the trend lines as well. I really don't know. So what if the market starts to go up from here? So for that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just wait for the 4 hour candle to close. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait for this 4 hour candle to close. If this candle closes below this area, then that means the next candle might wake up and go all the way down. And if this candle in case breaks the high and closes above this area, then that means the next 4 hour candle will be moving up. That means this was just a support formation. So yes, I think that will be our thing to do. So I'm gonna just wait. See, the GBP are also moving up from here as I expected, and GU is also doing the same. So let's see what happens. So for 8 more minutes we have nothing to do. Let's just chill and wait for 8 more minutes. So guys, let me just show you, for those who already know and who don't know, this is the robot I have made and it's available on MetaTrader website. So if anybody wants to buy this robot, so they can just go ahead. I'm gonna drop the link on the chat and you can go ahead and rent this robot for 3 months to test, or buy it for a permanent license. So basically what this robot do is, this robot is a scalping robot, as the name is telling itself, that sleepwalker EA. That means it makes the money while you sleep. So basically it trades at night when there is no volume in the market. And live monitoring of this signal is also available. So first of all, let me just tell you about the robot. So when there is no volume in the market, it starts to take the trades, and it basically works on, small movements happens in the market. It scalps quickly and just takes the profit and get out. And each and every trade is having proper stop loss. So, and also no harmful strategies has been used by the robot, like no martingale, no grid. So this robot is extremely powerful and safe to use. I'm also using personally this robot on my live accounts. Let me just show you. So this account was open like it was $100 account. It was open like this Monday just to test, and right now it has already made around 10.60% right now in like 3 days now. And also I have put it on a bigger account as well. Let me just show you. That signal is private. Where? Okay, signals, my signals, all signals. Yeah, so these are all the signals I have given or uploaded on this MetaTrader website. So this is a gold trader. This robot is basically made to trade gold only, and this is extremely reliable as well. It made around 10.47% right now in this month. So this robot is basically a martingale robot, this one, gold trader. And you have, yeah, let me just show you this. Yeah, so this was account of around $950 deposit, and yeah, from this account $100 was transferred to that account that was I just showed you, and 9.38% made so far, like in 3 days. So, and this is the robot I'm talking about, this sleepwalker. So you can just download the free demo version of the robot in your MT5 or MT4 terminal. So both the versions are available. So also, if you have any questions or something, then you can just contact me and I'm going to explain to you. This version is currently 1.9, and what's new in this version is it is optimized than the previous version for more stability and higher performance. So yeah, I'm going to just drop the link. Yeah, over here. Also, whenever, or not whenever, actually, if anybody just wants to join the Telegram channel of this robot, then you can just go ahead and join the channel of the robot as well, because in that channel you will be getting all the important information, updates, profits, everything in that channel. Let me just show you. Why Telegram? Okay, it is open over here. So this is the channel over here, and everyday profits, everything, all the updates, plus all the settings like currencies, everything, lot sizes, everything is just uploaded and updated over here on daily basis. So this was the trades and work the robot made yesterday on a small account. This was from the big account. So if anybody wants to join, then they can just join the channel and look at the channel for free. I'm gonna drop this link over here as well. Okay, so USD/JPY is pushing the price up. Yeah, so that means breaking this high really worked, and 9.2 pips right now. Hmm. 31 minutes left. So once this 4-hour candle breaks the high of the previous one, let's see if we can take the trade. That means this 4-hour I'm talking about. Yeah, so this candle over here, and this candle is about to close in 1 minute. So this is a strong level of resistance, right? So if we just zoom in a little bit, so what if the next candle wicks down and break this high? Can we go up to this level? I don't know, but yes, we can try taking the trade when the when the next candle wicks down first. Otherwise there will be no trades. I need the next candle to wick down first. So let's see if we have some information about the trend lines as well. I think yes, we may have some info. And if I look in the 15 minutes, then I think I should be taking buys above this wick. This is around 5.4 pips away. Oh, so that will decrease the range to 17 pips. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Oops. Okay. This is kind of messy. So the candle has closed over here. I'm gonna go to the 30 minutes. So the previous 30-minute candle closed with a wick rejection. Let me just go to the 1 hour. You know, I'm really dicey about this USD/JPY 1 hour over here, because if it starts to move up, break its own high, yeah, it has already created a support, but it is at a strong level of resistance from where the market has dropped down earlier. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch to 15, after that 5. Okay, let's see. So right now the 30-minute candle is moving down, and it's creating some sort of a low over here. And so now the thing is, now if the candle starts to move up and break the high of the previous candle, or this price over here 128 point, let's say 400, let's make it even number. So if it breaks this 128.400, then yes, I'm gonna take a buy trade in USD/JPY, because at that point this 4-hour candle will be also breaking the high of the previous 4-hour candle, and with volume it can go up, fill this wick of this candle, and close like a strong bullish. So that's my idea over here. So my stops will be around like 13 pips, but I'm gonna keep it at 10 pips. Yeah, it's trying to push the price up. Oh, GU also pushing the price down. This can be a nice trade. But I think I'll stick to UJ. Because GU is at a support area and I don't know whether it's gonna continue to move down. But by looking at the daily, it really looks like it's gonna move down from here. 2 trades, 2 currencies. What should we do? I think, yeah, I'm gonna go with the GBP USD, I think. Yeah, I think I should go with GU. So the thing is, let me just go to GU. So now, if the candle breaks its own low, let me just zoom in a little bit. If this candle breaks its own low, or this low maybe, then I'm gonna take the trade and keep my target over here. Like this range is like 21-22 pips, so the range is really nice. Also, if we look on the left, then we have strong bearish move already in this area, and we have this clean range, we have this move, and I'm expecting this over here as well, like mirror move like this over here. So for that, it really needs to break this price, because the thing is, this is a zone of rejection. So once the candle breaks, this price over here, I'm gonna take a sell. Otherwise the market can reject this area and move up from here. Yeah. Also, I think, yeah. Yeah, also GJ is pushing the price down, let's see. But I'm gonna keep my eyes on UJ and GU. So let's see if there is any news today. So now if USDJPY reverses back now, then it will be a really nice move to the upside. Look over here, 4 hour is now rejecting. This is the level of support over here now. So now market has to create a fake out in order to move down. Let's see if it will be doing that or not. Alright everybody, so if in case this 15-minute candle breaks the low of the previous one now, then I'm gonna take a sell trade, because I think it will be definitely moving all the way down in this area. Let me just show you where it's gonna go. So this 4-hour candle, if this 4-hour candle breaks this price, then it will be getting down in this area. Yeah, that's around 15 pips. Because we have this clean range, and in the last 9 or 10 minutes, if really GJ wants to move down, then the 4-hour candle will be showing extremely huge volume now, and it will be going down with heavy volume. So if there will be heavy volume, then obviously we will be taking benefit of that heavy volume. So let's see if it goes down or if it just closes bullish. Nothing in GU, nothing in UJ, and it's just in GJ right now. So let's see. Because now there should be extremely high volume coming in GJ, if only if the 4-hour candle really needs to go down, the next one. Otherwise this candle will be closing like this only with the rejection wick. Okay, everybody. So I'm gonna call it a day over here. I don't think there will be volume today because right now the market is just dead, and I have to visit somewhere. So, so take care, everybody. Have a great day, and let's meet tomorrow. And today, if I get home on time, then I'll try to, I'll try to stream that robot live stream today in the night. So I'll try to do that today. So let's see if that will be possible or not. So till then, take care and save your money today, guys. So that you can trade tomorrow. So have a great day, guys.